Hello everyone, welcome to the Wig of the Day series where we make a wig a day. Okay, every wig that you see, unless I say otherwise, it is for sale. So this one is for sale. Now I made her, I colored her, then I kind of just stored her away for a while, and now I'm like, oh yeah, what? Like I never like officially finished it. It doesn't even have an elastic band on the inside. So what I want to do is literally wash this wig, restyle it with you guys, and decide, do I want to keep it in a side part? Do I want a center part? She's layered, but she's not layered for like, you know, the feather look. She's more layered for like a shaggy, natural, shake and go kind of tousled look, which is still cute. But I'm just like, do I want that on this wig? Like, I don't know. I did it that way because I originally created this wig to be inspired by Michelle Obama's hairstyle. Like, I know her hair is mostly overall brown, but what I did was add in some soft brown highlights to kind of give it a subtle version, and she does wear like a side part. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. This wig will be for sale. I'm gonna post it on my website and you can purchase it as well. Oh, this is hair from Maven. This is the straight texture, I believe, and the natural 1B that I highlighted. You can purchase this hair on my website. I'll leave the hair details below, and make sure you use code Amore so you can get even more money off your order, even if they already have discounts and stuff. So stack your coupon codes. Not me yapping and yapping and yapping. Anyway, I'm so sorry. The videos are not gonna normally be like this, but I had to preface. I had to leave a little disclaimer. Let me start washing this, and I'll take you guys back in a time to when I was coloring this wig. Alright, so the color that I chose to do was a brick layered balayage technique. Just freehand, hand painted color. Literally what that means. All I did was brick layer the sections, which means don't do the sections right on top of each other. Each row that I went up, I kind of just staggered it off to the side a little bit to get that real nice balayage effect. And then I just rinsed it and toned it, honestly. And at first I had it in a middle part. And this is the part where I was like, dang, I don't know what I want to do, because it's like, I like the middle part, but just was not bringing the vision to life, especially making this wig inspired by Michelle Obama. Like, yeah, for the picture that I saw, I wanted it to be in a side part. So I tried it out for the middle part at least, and it was cute, but it just wasn't bringing the vision to life. And this is what the curls look like after I brushed it out, ran my fingers through it, and tried a couple other things. But you already know me, I gave her a side part. I don't know, something lately with me with side parts, I just really loving it when it comes to wigs, especially with the curved baby hair right there. So she's been sitting in the box, and now it's time to rewash it. Yeah, this is the before we wash it, and I'll be right back. Sorry, I had to eat some blueberries. But I was like, oh my God, I'm over here eating and chilling when I just said I was gonna wash the wig. My bad. Off to the bowl we go. I did go ahead and wash the wig. She's dripping wet. I tried to keep the same part because I was looking at it like just playing in the hair when I pressed stop recording, and it's really cute in the side part. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave her like this to drip dry under the dryer thing. Do I even have my dryer? Oh no, I might not. My air thing. Hold on. What am I looking for? Let me get my life. Let me get a comb. I got a little Zen Min brush. Comb her out real quick. So freaking cute. Oh my God. All right, now let's move her wet ass out the way. I'm gonna take this wig clip like this, and I'm gonna hang it like this on these little things. I'll show you after I set it up. And then I'm gonna use my little dryer fan heater thing to let it air dry and drip dry like this. Hold on, let me get it situated, and then I'm gonna pan the camera down and show you guys my little shambles setup. Give me a second. Okay, so we got the bootleg set up because I done forgot the hood dryer, but I have dried several bundles with this amazing new heater that I got from Amazon. It's literally brand spanking new. Yeah, I'm gonna just let it go like that. I need to go bring my hood dryer here for tomorrow's wig of the day, because I do want to dry a loose wave wig after color. So anyway, all I'm saying is I'm letting it drip dry like that into the bucket, because I also did not bring towels into the office. So yeah, make sure you turn on your post notifications, because I really hope you guys are liking this. Even if you don't ever buy, it's cool to kind of watch me make a wig a day. But anyway, I'm gonna let that do its thing, and I'm gonna do the prepping for tomorrow's wig of the day. Okay, so we have our hot comb. It's a plug-in one from Andis, and it goes up to 20, whatever temperature that is. Then I have my Babyliss Pro curling iron. I believe this is 1.5 inch. And then I have my mini Red Pro Titanium 460. It goes up to 460 degrees. It's a tiny plate flat iron, and I use this to do the baby hairs. I also have a wax stick, my Roby foaming mousse, as well as the Aussie hairspray. It's the flexible hairspray, so it's not mega horrible, but yeah. I also have these black duckbill clips to hold the curls, just in case I end up pinning the curl. So yeah, let's get started. Start in the back, a couple rows at a time, 2 rows at a time, up until I make my way up to the closure. I'm gonna show you the type of curl that I do, and I'm gonna continue that curl all the way up the head, and then I'll come back when we make it our way to the closure, so I can show you how I finesse it. But this is like so cute. Like, I'm loving this effortless color, effortlessly placed highlights, just beautiful, seamless. Well, I see 1 or 2 here and there, but everything else is seamless transition highlights. Okay, so the curl that I'm gonna do, no hairspray, no product is on this just yet. Take the hair, take my carbon comb. This carbon comb means that it's heat resistant, so it won't melt or fray. I had this comb for over 5 years, and I use it for haircuts and hot tool styling, and it still looks exactly the same. So it is definitely worth the investment if you're tired of your comb melting. But basically, just make sure you comb through the section, and then what I'm going to do is curl it all diagonally down away and put the end of the hair towards the inner bit of the barrel, because in this side I'm curling away from the face. But what I'm doing is curling down diagonally until all the ends are fed through the curling iron. Then I'm going to take the curl into my hand like so. I'll take some hairspray. I'm clipping it in a way that's underneath so that I'm not clamping the hair right here. If you clamp the hair like over like this, you're gonna end up with an indent, and you still will anyway because it's being clamped somewhere. You just don't typically want it on the top bit right here. I know this is the back, but if you practice that clipping technique, then by the time you get to the top, you won't have to worry about any clip imprints on your hair. I'm literally gonna continue that exact same curl. However, in the middle, I think I'm gonna choose to go like, I'm not gonna do it directly in the middle. The middle one will be a section, the sides will be a section, and then for the middle, all the way up between each, away from the face, I'm gonna alternate. Hope that makes sense. I'll be right back as soon as I get to the closure area. I'm gonna show you how I finesse the closure bit into the bundle so that it is a nice seamless transition, because every little thing matters. We want these wigs to be ready to wear when the client takes them out of the box. So that is why everything's good to go. All they're gonna have to do is cut the lace. Well, some people ask me to cut the lace, but I typically don't like to cut the lace, only because it's better when they cut the lace around their hairline. So anyway, I'm on this side now, and I'm gonna curl in the opposite direction. But like I said, I'll be back when I get up to the front. Now we're on the top. And I did want to show you guys. Can you even see me? Do you want to see my face or does it not matter? So what I like to do when I get around the closure is use my wax stick. And I'm just gonna help that go like that. Just so that when we use the hot comb, everything's gonna mold a lot easier. We don't need to do that through the whole wig. I just do that around the closure where it meets the wefts. And I just make sure that the hair is laying flat in that direction so that the wefts are always covered. Once I do that, I'm gonna continue the same curling technique that I did and then continue. This went by super fast. Now that the hair around the closure is molded in place, boom, bap, boom, I'm gonna take the curling iron and literally do the exact same thing. I like to make it in the direction towards the face because that's where the closure is at. Then if you want, you can mold it down with the curling iron just to make sure that it's gonna be flat for when you pin it in place. And then do it just like that. I'm gonna repeat that all the way around, and then I'll show you how I do the swoop-de-doop differently, but I'm literally about to just do that. That's the only thing I changed in my direction, so I'll be right back when I do this bit, okay? See you in 2.5 seconds. Now I'm on this side doing the exact same thing. Just wanted to show y'all I'm coming back when we do the swoop because I'm not doing nothing different. Okay, before I moved on to the swoop-de-swoop, what I want to do is pick up these little hairs into my finger and then swoop them down. And I'm going to take a little of Nairobi foaming mousse, a comb or an edge brush, whatever you have works. I'm gonna let that sit like that to dry while we work on this bit right here. A little baby hair swoop. For this side, we want it falling over like that way. Just to clip that out the way. And now what I'm gonna do, make sure I'm recording. I am. Normally I would have pinned this down, but I didn't pin nothing down. Should I pin it down? Let me pin it down. All right, now that we got the wax stick on there, what I am gonna do is go back a little bit, go up. Sorry if you can't see. And then I also want to take this line out, so I'm just gonna go in. The setup is not working for me because I'm left-handed. Just gonna take that line out. I'm not right-handed, but my cord won't reach, so I had to make that work just now, but. What I like to do is grab them both again and then do this as one clip. Now, what I like to do is the touch-ups. So go like that. Like this. So cute. Now we just need to comb it out, unclip everything, and see what it looks like. I'm gonna start in the back and take down the clips. We're gonna put her on the face doll head and show you guys her final look. But meantime, I don't wanna bore you with taking out all the clips. So I'll be right back when all the clips are taken out. The main thing you wanna remember though, when you're taking out the clips, is to let the curl fall in the direction that you did it, because you could just take the curl out, but sometimes it flips back the opposite way if you're not too careful. So make sure when you let the clip down, it's still going in the same direction. Okay, so I'll be right back and I'll let you know what I All right, let's put her on the prettier head. Then we'll comb her out, take some pictures, post her on the website for you guys to purchase it. Yay. I feel like this is literally a throw on and go wig, like truly, truly. All right, so boom, keep it perfectly intact. That there. You. So let's put her on. Hopefully you can see. Okay. Now I just need to tack her down. I need to get a wig grip for her because the surface of this head compared to the other head is so slippery. Y'all saw how I didn't even have a clip on that to the end. But she is not the same. Okay. Can you see? Is she like, okay. My comb is here. So what I'm gonna do is just literally comb her out and then I'm gonna shape her. All right, cute though. Oh my god. Yes, the curls is locked in. Clocked in, boo. So freaking cute. Isn't it giving Michelle Obama? I'm calling her Michelle Obama vibes at some point, but this is giving. All right, let me see. Let me look back at this. Okay, so this is what we got so far. I'm wondering though, should I restyle it? Like every time I restyle this wig, I'm like, is this the look? Like, I just don't know if this one's the way. Like, I just don't know, you know? And it is very cute. I'm just like, she's cute. She's giving everyday natural wig. I need to layer it more. Like, she's hella cute. Don't get me wrong. I love her. I don't know if my vision is being brought to life, but she is ready and she is done and she is for sale. Yay. I think she's gonna be $300. How about that? Let me see how much the hair costs and then I'll tell y'all how much she is, but just go to the website and then you can really see how much she is. But yeah, guys, this is the wig of the day. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this wig, and I hope you're really enjoying the wig of the day series. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. I did want to let y'all know that I have a beauty channel and a vlog channel. So if you're not subscribed to both, subscribe to both, because there's beauty and then there's my everyday kind of chilling vibes, you know? So thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. I'm just like so grateful for you guys supporting me the way that you do, and the fact that you've been hearing me say this, you made it to the end of the video. Like, thank you. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. That means that's the next time you're gonna click on my face. So as soon as you click on my face is as soon as you're gonna see me in the next video. So I'll see you over there. Make sure you have a wonderful day, and I will see you later. Bye.
I need you to get the fuck on my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need a new trick, gold up, don't change. Fucking I ain't making love no more. What the fuck you crying for? I'm moving, something's calling on my face.